What's going on, guys? You know it's your boy King Joker, and I'm back with a prank on my baby mother. I'm pranking a prank on my girlfriend. So anyway, guys, this prank is delirious. I'm gonna prank the shit out of her because the last time she pranked me, telling me that the baby is not mine. If you guys don't watch that video, go and watch that video right now. She pranked me so friggin' good. Okay, guys. Anyway, me and my daughter and my son, we gonna prank. They're gonna help me to prank their mother right now. Anyway, guys, so let me tell you about this microwave right now. Okay, this microwave, something was wrong with it. No, not this microwave. My baby mother, she just get this microwave to fix. So anyway, they fixed the microwave and bring it back. So my baby mother didn't know that they bring the microwave back. But this microwave, y'all, is not the real microwave. All right, this microwave is a different one. This is a different one. So the real one, I hide the real one underneath the bed in the house. So she do not know that the microwave is underneath the bed. So I hide the microwave. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna set the camera up and get this prank done. Remember, guys, just say Team O'Neil, and make sure you leave a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you leave a like on this video, guys, if I'm doing good, guys. It's gonna be an awesome friggin' prank, guys. So anyway, guys, she's inside of the house and I'm gonna get crazy today on her. Guys, she's gonna be so friggin' upset, man. She's gonna be so friggin' upset, man. So anyway, I'm gonna send my daughter and my son to go and call his mom and let tell his mom that daddy's breaking the microwave. All right, guys. So let's get this friggin' prank done. This prank is gonna be a very short prank. Don't tell her yet. Don't tell her yet. Hold on. So what are you gonna tell mommy?
Mommy, daddy.
Shh, take time.
Mommy, daddy is mashing up the microwave.
All right. Wait, come here. Say go. Mommy, daddy is mashing up the microwave. Okay? All right. So you guys gonna do that. All right?
And subscribe to King Joker.
No. Yes. Subscribe to
King
Joker
channel.
Tell them again.
Subscribe to King Joker channel.
Take time. Oh, wait. So guys, I'm lining up the camera right now, guys. Okay, guys, make sure you leave a thumbs up, guys, on this video, and make sure you subscribe. Okay, let this friggin' video done. Shh. Hold on. Move, Jamie. Move, Jamie.
Let's make this video starting. No.
Go. What? Move, man, the glass bucket, move. You know, good.
What the f- What?
Move, man back cut. Move, come on, move.
Baby, go keep an eye on the baby. Go watch your baby.
Go. Wow!
I need to keep my shopping something on you.
It don't good. Move, you know good. What?
I need to keep my shopping something on you.
What?
I mean, say no good.
It don't good.
Now fix it, move, Jen. Now fix it one. Lick it again. Now fix it, sitting did one. Fix on you and your mash up is sitting. Boy, move.
Move, Jenny, go on back on yourself. Man back cut him.
Me tell you not never be sitting and your mash up in my.
It's a prank! Woo!
Move it, baby.
Damn. Damn. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Say how you feel about this baby.
Come here, say.
How are you feeling about that baby? How are you feeling about this prank? It's a friggin' prank. Guys, anyway, guys, I get her, guys. I get her, guys.
Get me nothing.
I get Sashay, come on, Sashay, me get you. Sashay,
Sashay,
me get you, Sashay. Beers, me get the beers, me get you. Me get the beers.
You don't get me nothing.
Me get up, Sashay, me get you. Because look how you let me do it, Sashay. Me get the
you
beers.
don't get me nothing, boy.
Anyway, guys, if you know that your boy,
Baby,
King, have
have
this prank. How you feel about this prank? So anyway, guys, please remember to subscribe to this channel, guys. It's a friggin' awesome prank video, guys. So, hi, baby. Daddy prank mommy. Say hi. Daddy just prank mommy. Jamie, move. Daddy just prank mommy.
Said no.
So anyway, guys, please remember to subscribe and like this video.
You know, see me, I'll be get him. You don't get me.
No.
You're gonna get me back.
No, me get you.
My little baby sister said is daddy first.
Okay.
No,
Okay. Jenny, move. You know, see now here. Move on there. Anyway, guys, please leave a thumbs up, guys, and support and subscribe. And I'm friggin' out.